Do you want to make him fall in love with you, but don't know where to start? Below you will find tips to make him fall madly in love with you. When we are in love, we want the person to fall in love with us in the same proportion. But we need to understand that each person has a different time and way of dealing with situations. So, most of the time, we need to be patient so that she enters into this relationship in her own time. I know you are counting the days to have him in your arms, so here are some tips to win him over faster. Show that you value his company. Pay compliments on his appearance as well as his demeanor. Let him miss you. Admire his masculinity. Show your charm to him in a subtle way. Let him get to know more about you naturally. Don't be afraid to take risks, make the first move if necessary. Allow him to get to know more about you naturally. Don't let anxiety take over, be in control, be patient, and accept that not everything happens in our time, and in the way we always want.
If you like these tips and want to accelerate learning more in-depth techniques that have already endeared thousands of women to you, you need to know his secret obsession. See the official website in the description of this video.